Are you still facing these problems in glass lid drilling? Long-term water cooling of equipment leads to rusting. The accuracy is becoming increasingly unstable. Maintenance costs are constantly rising. Now we have a more advanced solution: laser drilling technology. With a non-contact process, no water cooling is needed. Fundamentally solve the problem of equipment rusting. It delivers higher precision, more consistent hole quality, reduces chipping and microcracks. Laser drilling also supports stable, high-speed production and integrates easily into automated lines. We provide complete laser drilling solutions for glass lids, including equipment, process support, and full-line integration. Upgrade your production with higher efficiency and better reliability.